Alright, I think I have sorted this out pretty darn well so far without actually changing any parts or doing anything really to it. No cleaning, no... Well, very, very little cleaning, let's say. Mostly just bending things back into place. And I think it is working. Like, now it types 100%, no issues. So, I mean, here's a little demonstration of it. Move everything out of the way. Get it all ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't really bothered setting the margins perfectly, so, I mean, if it's a bit, then, sorry. Oop, that was me, not the machine. Oh, no. My finger's not working. That is one thing about this machine that I don't like. No margin release. And I haven't figured out, if there is, I haven't figured it out. And I wanted to put a cap on that, but... there you go, Adler. Let's do this. Adler. Sliding away. Oh. That's the first time it's done it so far. Most of these errors are because it's sliding around and because I'm not very good. I'm just not used to this, like, angle and stuff. I don't know why, but that Underwood seems to be, like, the perfect typewriter for me. Let's see. me. I like it. I didn't expect to like this machine. Like, look at the tiny little return arm, and it lacks a bunch of features. It doesn't even have a margin release, but that's nice. That's a really nice one. Look at this font, too. I mean, you can't really see that probably, but I mean, it just looks nice. It's a nice one. Wow. Yeah, super happy. Oh, I'm so glad I got it working. Anyway, just wanted to show that off.